Peel-off masks are a game-changer in skincare, offering an easy way to exfoliate, detoxify, and rejuvenate your skin. But with so many options available, it's hard to pick the right one. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 peel-off masks that deliver visible results. Whether you're looking for hydration, deep cleansing, or firming, we've got you covered. Let's dive into these must-have peel-off masks and find the perfect one for your skin needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Glamglow GravityMud. The Glamglow GravityMud Firming Treatment is a luxurious peel-off mask designed to lift, firm, and tone your skin. Its unique color-changing formula makes it a fun yet effective addition to any skincare routine. Key features: this mask combines marshmallow and licorice leaf extracts with hyaluronic acid for firming, smoothing, and hydrating benefits. The formula transforms from white to chrome as it dries, adding a playful element to your skincare regimen. Benefits and usage: ideal for those seeking firmer, more youthful skin, this mask improves elasticity and contours. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, avoiding eyebrows and hairline, and let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes before peeling it off in one smooth motion. Usability: its easy to apply and peel off design makes it perfect for quick self-care sessions. Use it 1 to 2 times a week for the best results. While suitable for all skin types, it's especially effective for mature or sagging skin. Durability: each jar contains enough product for multiple uses, and the airtight packaging keeps it fresh. Despite its premium price, the long-lasting results make it worth the investment. In the second spot, we have Dermalogica Charcoal Rescue Mask. The Dermalogica Charcoal Rescue Mask is a powerhouse peel-off mask designed to detoxify, brighten, and invigorate dull, tired skin. Infused with charcoal and volcanic ash, it delivers a spa-like experience at home. Key features: this mask features activated charcoal for deep cleansing, sulfur to promote cell turnover, and niacinamide for brightening. Its multi-action formula exfoliates, detoxifies, and revitalizes skin in just 10 minutes. Benefits and usage: perfect for congested or dull skin, it removes impurities, reduces redness, and boosts radiance. To use, apply a thin layer to cleanse skin, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and gently peel it off. Follow up with a moisturizer for added hydration. Usability: its fast-acting formula makes it ideal for busy individuals looking for quick results. Suitable for all skin types, it's particularly beneficial for oily or acne-prone skin. Durability: packaged in a convenient tube, this mask is travel-friendly and easy to store. A little goes a long way, ensuring multiple uses per bottle. Coming in at number 3 is the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Peel-Off Mask. The Freeman Feeling Beautiful Renewing Cucumber Peel-Off Mask is a budget-friendly option that soothes and refreshes skin. Infused with cucumber extract, it's perfect for cooling and calming stressed skin. Key features: this mask combines cucumber extract with aloe vera and glycerin to hydrate and soothe the skin. Its clear gel formula dries evenly and peels off easily, revealing softer, smoother skin. Benefits and usage: ideal for all skin types, this mask revitalizes and refreshes tired skin. Apply an even layer to clean skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Peel it off, starting at the edges, then rinse away any residue. Usability: its gentle formula makes it suitable for regular use, and it's a great choice for those new to peel-off masks. Use it 2 to 3 times a week to maintain glowing, hydrated skin. Durability: the generously sized tube provides excellent value for money, lasting for months even with frequent use. Its simple design ensures the product remains fresh and effective. Taking our 4th spot is Yes to Tomatoes Detoxifying Peel-Off Mask. The Yes to Tomatoes Detoxifying Peel-Off Mask is a natural solution for those battling acne and clogged pores. Made with 96% natural ingredients, it delivers deep cleansing benefits without harsh chemicals. Key features: this mask features charcoal and salicylic acid to detoxify and clear pores, along with tomato extract for a natural antioxidant boost. Its peel-off formula gently lifts impurities, leaving skin clear and smooth. Benefits and usage: perfect for oily and acne-prone skin, it reduces breakouts, minimizes pores, and improves overall skin clarity. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, let it dry completely, and peel it off in sections. Usability: its natural ingredients make it a safe choice for sensitive skin, and the targeted formula delivers visible results with regular use. Incorporate it into your routine 1 to 2 times a week for optimal benefits. Durability: packaged in a squeeze tube, it's easy to dispense and ensures minimal waste. The compact design makes it a travel-friendly option for on-the-go skincare. And finally, at number 5, we have Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. The Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask is a versatile skincare product that doubles as a soothing peel-off mask. Infused with botanical extracts, it hydrates, calms, and refreshes the skin. Key features: this mask combines cucumber, papaya, and chamomile extracts to hydrate and soothe, while aloe vera and glycerin lock in moisture. Its lightweight gel formula applies smoothly and dries evenly for an effortless peel-off experience. Benefits and usage: ideal for dehydrated or sensitive skin, it cools and calms irritation while boosting hydration. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and peel off gently. Rinse off any remaining residue for a refreshed feel. Usability: its gentle formula makes it perfect for all skin types, and it can be used as a weekly treat or whenever your skin needs a pick-me-up. The refreshing scent adds a spa-like touch to your routine. Durability: packaged in a sleek jar, this mask lasts for multiple uses. The airtight design keeps the product fresh, ensuring consistent results with every application. Peel-off masks are a fantastic addition to any skincare routine, offering quick and effective solutions for various skin concerns. From the luxurious Glamglow GravityMud to the budget-friendly Freeman Cucumber Mask, there's a peel-off mask for every skin type and budget. Incorporate one of these top-rated products into your routine, and you'll enjoy cleaner, healthier, and more radiant skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. Share your favorite peel-off mask in the comments below,